Imagine being able to sit comfortably wherever your adventure takes you, thanks to the Eureka Tagalong Camp Chair. This lightweight, easy-to-carry chair balances portability with durability, featuring a robust steel frame that supports up to 250 pounds. It collapses down to fit into a compact carrying pouch, complete with an integrated strap that frees up your hands for other essentials. Perfect for hiking, camping, or beach days, it offers a stable, reliable seat no matter the terrain. Beyond its rugged build, the Tagalong Camp Chair shines in its convenience and comfort. With a quick setup and takedown, it easily becomes a must-have in any outdoor gear lineup, ensuring you never have to sit on hard ground again. It's more than just a seat. It's a comfortable, mobile vantage point to take in nature's beauty from sunrise to sunset. When it's time to relax, this chair is ready to deliver comfort without compromising portability. Outdoors at night can be unpredictable, but the GearAid Carabiner light ensures you're ready for anything. This compact, multifunctional LED light features 4 modes: red, low, high, and flashing red, so you can adjust the brightness for every situation, whether setting up camp or signaling in emergencies. With a quick 40-minute recharge and IPX4 water resistance, it's designed to keep up, rain or shine. The light clips easily onto backpacks, tent lines, or keychains, making sure you're never left in the dark. More than just a flashlight, the GearAid Carabiner light is a versatile, hands-free light system that tackles all kinds of outdoor challenges. Ideal for camping, hiking, and nighttime safety, this tool is built to provide reliable, adaptable illumination. With it by your side, you can confidently explore, knowing you have a dependable source of light wherever the trail takes you. Staying comfortable outdoors can be challenging, but the OSPREY 2-pack solar camping lantern with fan brings a refreshing solution with its 2-in-1 design. Combining a lantern and fan, this device provides both lighting and airflow in a single compact unit. Powered by solar energy, USB rechargeable batteries or AA batteries, it offers multiple ways to keep it running. The fan helps circulate fresh air on warm nights, while the lantern mode delivers steady, bright light, perfect for reading, cooking, or late-night navigation. This OSPREY lantern with fan is a game-changer for anyone seeking extra comfort in their outdoor experiences. Compact and portable, it fits easily in your camping gear, and with multiple power sources, it ensures you're never left without light or airflow. From cooling breezes to nighttime illumination, this multifunctional tool brings convenience and reliability to your campsite setup, making every adventure a little more comfortable. For outdoor chefs who want to bring kitchen-quality tools to the wilderness, the Gerber Gear Complete Cutting Board Set is a must-have. This set includes 2 dual-sided boards, 1 bamboo, 1 polypropylene, and features a 3.25-inch paring knife and a 6-inch chef knife, both crafted from corrosion-resistant German stainless steel. The ergonomic handles ensure comfortable use, allowing you to slice, dice, and chop with precision and ease, turning campsite cooking into a pleasurable experience. With each piece nesting neatly into a compact storage tray, the complete cutting board set fits effortlessly into your camping gear. Built to handle the challenges of outdoor meal prep, this set brings gourmet-style convenience to your campsite, letting you enjoy delicious meals no matter where you are. It's the perfect companion for any outdoor culinary enthusiast, making outdoor cooking both efficient and enjoyable. When it comes to essential gear organized in one compact system, nothing quite matches the VSSL Camp Supplies Kit. Designed to keep all your survival basics in one place, this military-grade aluminum tube is packed with over 70 pieces of gear, from a first aid kit and fire starter to fishing supplies and water purification tablets. Each item is stored in stackable, labeled tins so you can easily find what you need without fumbling in a crisis. Lightweight and ultra-portable, this system is a smart addition to any outdoor pack. With the VSSL Camp Supplies Kit by your side, you're prepared for nearly any scenario the wilderness throws at you. This organized, rugged setup offers peace of mind, knowing you have access to a full range of survival tools, all in one easy-to-carry package. For hikers, campers, and anyone serious about safety and preparedness, this kit is the ultimate in portable survival, ensuring you have everything you need wherever your adventures lead. Coffee lovers, rejoice. Brewing quality coffee outdoors has never been easier, thanks to the Eureka Camp Cafe. This all-in-one coffee brewing system includes a 2.5-liter boiling kettle with Eureka's patented flux ring technology, which allows water to boil twice as fast as a traditional kettle, saving time and fuel. Alongside the kettle, the Camp Cafe includes a pour-over filter holder and a 12-cup carafe, enabling you to brew a perfect pot of coffee for yourself or your entire group. The entire setup nests together, making it compact and easy to carry. With the Eureka Camp Cafe, you're not just making coffee, you're bringing a slice of comfort and routine into the wilderness. Ideal for solo adventurers or larger crews, this coffee system offers a superior brew without the fuss of instant packets or bulky equipment. It's the ultimate blend of functionality and indulgence, allowing you to savor your coffee ritual even when far from home. For those who value a great cup of coffee, no matter where they are, the Camp Cafe makes outdoor mornings feel a little more like home. For campers who love the warmth of a fire but hate the smoke, a smokeless fire pit is a dream come true, and the Solo Stove Mesa delivers exactly that. This portable, smokeless tabletop fire pit uses a unique 360-degree airflow design that ensures consistent, clean-burning flames without the usual smoke. Dual fuel capability lets you use either wood or pellets, giving you flexibility depending on availability. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the Mesa also comes with a stable stand for added security on any surface. The Solo Stove Mesa elevates any outdoor gathering, whether it's a campsite cookout or a backyard evening. Compact and easy to store, this fire pit makes it simple to enjoy a cozy fire without the hassle and mess of traditional fire pits. Ideal for adventurers and at-home entertainers alike, it's the perfect solution for anyone who wants the ambiance of a fire without the smoke. With the Mesa, you're set to enjoy fireside moments that are clean, comfortable, and convenient. Outdoor tasks often require precision and durability, and the Gerber FreeScape Camp Saw meets these demands with ease. This foldable saw features a 12-inch blade and a unique 4-pivot point system, creating a secure handle grip while maximizing cutting efficiency. Designed for gathering firewood or even building a shelter, the FreeScape's blade and frame are made to last, folding flat for easy transport when not in use. Bright green accents add visibility, making it easy to spot at the campsite or in a packed bag. The FreeScape Camp Saw is the tool you can count on when the going gets tough. It transforms what might be a challenging task into something simple and efficient, helping you tackle all your cutting needs with confidence. For campers, bushcrafters, and outdoor enthusiasts who value tools that deliver reliability and performance, this saw is a campsite essential, ready to step up when you need it most. When it comes to relaxation in the outdoors, Few items deliver the comfort and quality of Eagle's Nest Outfitters, ENO hammocks. Crafted with high-quality free-wave fabric and durable anodized aluminum hardware, these hammocks are designed to provide a luxurious outdoor lounging experience while maintaining exceptional durability. Whether you're setting up in a dense forest, on a sunny beach, or in your own backyard, ENO hammocks are lightweight and compact, making them the perfect addition to any adventure pack. The ENO hammocks lineup includes options for everyone, from solo adventurers to couples looking to unwind together. With a quick and simple setup, these hammocks let you enjoy the outdoors in a whole new way, elevating you above the ground and cradling you in comfort. For those who value relaxation, durability, and ease, ENO hammocks transform any location into a personal retreat, allowing you to kick back and take in nature from the best seat in the house. For those who crave the freedom of the open road and the convenience of a mobile shelter, a high-quality rooftop tent can be a game changer. And the IKAMPER Sky Camp DLX stands at the top of its class. This luxurious tent is crafted with a dual-layered hard shell that offers durability and weather resistance, while a self-inflating mattress inside provides a comfortable sleep experience that rivals a traditional bed. Built to comfortably sleep up to 4 people, the SKYCAMP DLX features cork flooring for insulation and an aluminum frame for strength, making it a reliable choice for road trips and extended adventures. What sets the SKYCAMP DLX apart is its thoughtful design details, like the 1-minute setup time and built-in LED lights for nighttime visibility. This tent combines comfort, durability, and convenience in one sleek, easy-to-use package, allowing you to enjoy cozy, sheltered sleep wherever you park. For outdoor enthusiasts who want to blend mobility with comfort, the SKYCAMP DLX delivers a premium experience that turns any vehicle into a portable home. A restful night's sleep is essential when you're exploring the great outdoors, and the Luno packable camp pillow ensures you get just that. With memory foam filling that contours to your head and neck, this pillow brings the comfort of home to your campsite. Designed with a soft, removable cover, available in both a cozy polyester blend and a cooling jersey knit, the Luno pillow adapts to warm and cool nights alike. Packing down into a compact stuff sack, it's easy to toss into your camping pack without taking up valuable space. Beyond portability, the Luno Camp Pillow offers the convenience of a machine-washable pillowcase, so it's always fresh and ready for your next adventure. Whether you're camping, on a road trip, or just need a travel pillow, this packable design combines comfort with practicality. For anyone who values a good night's sleep on the go, the Luno Camp Pillow is a must-have, ensuring that wherever you lay your head, you're as comfortable as possible. For adventurers who want to keep their essentials safe and dry, the Pelican Exod Dry waterproof dry bag is the ultimate solution. This durable bag comes in 2L and 5L capacities and boasts an impressive IPX68 waterproof rating, keeping water, dust, and dirt out. Made from rugged materials, it's built to withstand the rough conditions of hiking, kayaking, fishing, and more. An integrated clear smartphone pocket adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to use your device without exposing it to the elements. With its reliable roll-top closure and detachable shoulder strap, the EXODRY waterproof dry bag is easy to carry and versatile enough for any adventure. This bag offers the protection you need to keep your gear dry, giving you peace of mind even in wet, unpredictable environments. For those who refuse to let rain or water ruin their plans, this dry bag is an essential piece of outdoor gear, ensuring your belongings stay safe and accessible, no matter the conditions. When it comes to tackling rugged outdoor tasks, a reliable and multifunctional axe is invaluable. And the Gerber Bushcraft Axe and Hatchet delivers with outstanding versatility. Featuring a high carbon steel blade engineered with a relief for deeper cuts, this axe is designed to maximize power and efficiency with each swing, making wood chopping and other demanding tasks feel effortless. Additionally, it's equipped with a hammerhead, adding further utility for tasks that require force, like driving intense stakes or breaking apart stubborn materials. Built to withstand the rigors of survival, the Bushcraft Axe and Hatchet includes an overstrike guard for enhanced durability, protecting the handle during heavy use. The handle also features a water-resistant storage compartment that houses essential items like paracord and a lighter, keeping them secure and dry. Whether you're building a shelter, gathering firewood, or tackling emergency tasks, this tool combines practicality and functionality in a single, robust package. For those who need a trusted multi-purpose tool in their outdoor arsenal, the Gerber Bushcraft Axe and Hatchet is built to handle the toughest challenges with ease and reliability. A truly versatile companion for outdoor gatherings, the TAKIBI Fire and Grill by Snowpeak brings together cooking and warmth in one sleek portable setup. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this grill is built to withstand high heat and frequent use, making it perfect for both serious campfire chefs and casual outdoor enthusiasts. Its modular design allows it to function as both a grill for cooking and a fire pit for relaxing, giving you flexibility whether you're preparing a meal or simply enjoying a cozy fire. The TAKIBI Fire and Grill set includes everything you need for an elevated outdoor experience. A sturdy grill bridge, a base plate to protect the ground, a pack and carry fireplace for compact storage, and a convenient carrying bag. This thoughtful design ensures the TAKIBI is easy to transport, set up, and take down, making it an ideal choice for camping trips, picnics, or backyard gatherings. With the TAKIBI, you're not just cooking outdoors, you're creating memorable moments around the fire, where functionality meets the warmth and joy of gathering in nature. For adventurers carrying heavy loads over long distances, a comfortable, customizable backpack is essential, and the Osprey Pack's AETHER-ARIEL Plus rises to the occasion. Built for high performance, this backpack offers a fully adjustable, custom-fit on-the-fly shoulder strap and hip belt, allowing you to fine-tune the fit to your body for maximum comfort and support. Its superior suspension system and durable materials ensure stability even with gear-heavy loads, making it ideal for multi-day hikes, gear-intensive trips, or ambitious backcountry treks. Beyond comfort, the AETHER-ARIEL Plus shines in thoughtful functionality. It features a versatile day-lid day pack, allowing you to detach the top lid and use it for shorter excursions, along with a stow-on-the-go trekking pole attachment to keep your poles handy without slowing down. With multiple compartments and a design focused on both weight distribution and easy access, this pack is more than just a bag. It's a reliable companion for long-haul adventures. Whether you're setting out for a week-long expedition or a weekend camping trip, the AETHER-ARIEL Plus supports every step of the journey with strength, comfort, and adaptability. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to add or adjust. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to Outdoor Gear Hub for more updates, tips, and the latest in camping and survival gear. Adventure awaits. See you in the next video.